Just 10 minutes a day, 3 times a week, and you're well on your way to achieving the body that you've always wanted. You can gain measurable results from just 10 minutes per session because of the many groups of muscles being targeted with simple alterations in posture and body positioning. There will be no more excuses or delayed trips to the gym because the vibration machine is incredibly compact and can be used at your leisure whenever you have a few minutes to spare. It is also very quiet, so you can enjoy watching your favorite television shows during your workout. Conventional exercise can cause stress to joints, ligaments, and tendons, and risk of injury, whereas vibration exercise is a much safer alternative. You can effectively consume the unwanted weight on your hips, thighs, waist, and your abdomen by vibration massage. This will polish your skin and reshape your overall body and wellness. With aging, harmful junk like cholesterol and calcium will deposit in the vein and tighten the interior diameter and stiffen the vein, which often ensures high blood pressure and even coronary heart disease. Frequent vibration by our vibration machine spurs the circulation of blood flow, therefore spreading the vein and dissolving the detrimental stuff with increasing your metabolism and finally evacuating them. Vibration exercise fitness is backed by solid science. The revolutionary technology of whole-body vibration machines is being used by professional sports teams, universities, healthcare practitioners, fitness centers, and elite athletes in a variety of applications. Vibration exercise is the prime pick among the fittest today.